To start this part replacement, you will need the help of another person. Remove the back cushions, then carefully lift the sofa and turn it over backwards and rest it upside down so the function can be open and resting on the floor. If you are making this repair alone, and there is no one else available to assist, follow these steps to safely access the leg part for the repair. First, open the sofa, then lay on your back and scoot underneath the bed. Do this from either side to access the necessary leg part. Now that we have access to the part, using a 6mm hex driver to remove the following 4 bolts. Note, it is important to pay attention to which leg you are removing, as these are not reversible hardware. Once removed, install the new leg hardware. Using the same 4 bolts, reinstall them into the same 4 locations. Make one final check to ensure each of the 4 bolts are secured snugly. Next, using a tape measure, measure the height of the leg mounted to the arm. Using this same measure, adjust the newly installed bed leg to match its height. The leg is threaded, so adjust to length and tighten it with a wrench to lock it at its height. It is important to be accurate with this adjustment, as it will affect the sleeper's operation if not done correctly. Once completed, return the sofa to its upright position and/or close the bed. Congratulations, the repair is complete.